UV is not color space. RGB is not color space in this. It's not sRGB. It is RGB with depends of the depth of the color resolution and richness. And let's go some very interesting stuff. We start with this one. This is one teardown of the ATEM Extreme. You can see the chips and all the chips are present. Those two in the version Extreme are different from all those 6 remain. And the redriver are those 2. And here they are shown. ADV 7610. This is the receiver, HDMI receiver. And it is completely, it elaborates completely the inputs that both chips